Greetings to my dearest sponsors. I am happy to announce that I am officially graduating on July 5 and I am candidate for Latin Honor, specifically cum laude. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your continued support and trust throughout my academic journey. As I look back, I have encountered various challenges, downfalls, laughters, and moments of learning, and I've navigated life with the help of my family, friends, Daredemo, and you. So thank you very much, my dearest sponsor. Recently, I am upskilling in programming and applying jobs in the field of technology and data analytics since I want to become a data scientist in the near future. During my stay in Daredemo, I've learned the skill sets such as being alert at all times and being socially aware of our surroundings. This awareness helps us adapt in our environment and make informed decisions through logical and critical thinking. I believe these skill sets are invaluable after graduation. I am also committed to help younger children as you have supported my dream. And I hope to make relevant technology and applications that will help the community to prosper. Once again, thank you very much and I hope to see you soon.